Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to flash the stock ROM on Samsung Galaxy A41. Okay, first we need to check what is the current version of our software, because when it comes to Samsung devices we need to remember about one thing. And the thing is that we need to know what is our current software version, because it's impossible to install older version than our current. We can only install the same version once again and every version that it's above. To check the software version, go to About Phone, then Software Information, and here we need to keep scrolling down. Actually, we don't need to. In here we can see our software version. In my case, it's A41.5FXXS8DXE2. That's the version that I have. Down below we can also see the service provider software version. Mine is OPV, that's for a Polish market, and that will be useful later. Okay, once we know it, we can power off the device, hold the power key and volume down, and click on power off. You need to remember that if you are flashing the stock ROM, the phone will also perform the factory reset and everything will be cleaned. So have that in mind. And now, visit our page, HardReset.Info, and go to Download section. In here, you need to type Samsung drivers, then click on Search, select Samsung drivers, and hit the download button. Then go back, type Odin, download the latest version, 3.14.4, also hit the download button. If you'll see the verification, simply wait and verify that you're a human. Okay. And now, open up a new tab, visit this page, SamFW.com. In here we need to enter device name or model code. It's A41.5F, in my case, Galaxy A41. And then keep scrolling down, and in here you need to type your country or the CSC code. I have the Polish version that starts with OPV, as you remember. And now keep scrolling down, and here we have all software versions. For example, I had this version, as you could remember, and I'm about to install the one right in here, the one above. Then keep scrolling down, and we have two download links. It's up to you which one you'll pick. I'll pick the one from the top. And we need to wait until it downloads. In the meantime, we can unpack the Odin and the Samsung drivers. Right click, I'm using WinRAR to extract the file, extract to. Okay, and same thing with the Odin. Of course, you can use a different app to unpack the files. And if you don't have any app, you can right click, click on extract all and extract, and it will also fully work. Now let's install Samsung drivers. Double click to start the installation. In my case it's already installed, but I can repeat. Okay, next, and install. We need to wait now. It won't take long, up to 3 minutes I think. And we gotta wait until Samsung drivers are installed. Okay, we also have our software. We need to also unpack it, right click, WinRAR, extract to. Okay. Now let's wait until Samsung drivers are installed. Okay, and now we can click on finish. And now, after the installation of the Samsung drivers, if you're installing them for the first time, you need to restart your computer, because if you don't restart, it won't work. So that's the moment when you can restart your computer. Okay, now we gotta open up the folder with the Odin, double click, click on OK, and there we have it. On our phone, we need to enter download mode. To do it, you need to have the USB-C cable that is also connected to your computer as well. So let me do it. I need to connect the cable. Okay, and now we need to hold volume up and volume down at the same time, and now insert the cable, but don't release volume keys, keep holding them until you see this many. Then click on volume up, and now we are in the download mode. I highly recommend to use the original Samsung USB-C cable. If you don't have the original one, of course you can use a different good quality USB-C cable. Okay, and now we can see in the Odin our phone as these numbers, and it's really important that you need to see those numbers, because if you don't see them, it means that it may not work. Okay, but in our case everything is okay. Click on BL right now, go to downloads, go and open up the folder with your software and select BL file. Double click, select AP, select the AP file. This one is going to load a little bit longer because that's the biggest file, so we need to be patient. No CP, select the CP file, and then CSC, and select CSC underscore OXM. Okay, and once again I'll repeat, the phone will perform the factory reset. And now click on start. Okay, as you can see, it has started right in here, and now we need to keep waiting until this bar down below fulfills. It may take a little bit, so we need to be patient. Okay, and when you see the word pass, it means that everything has worked. Now we can unplug the cable. We can also close the Odin app. I'll also go to the full screen, so you'll be able to see everything. Currently we need to wait until our phone turns on. Then we'll go through the setup and we will verify our new version in the settings of our phone. So currently we need to wait until the phone turns on. Okay, we need to click on start. Let's go quickly through the setup. Select the language, click on next, next, agree, next, agree. I'm skipping the Wi-Fi, so thanks to that the setup will be much faster. And I'm not going to copy anything. If you want, of course, you can do it. You can do the setup in your own way. But I'm just skipping everything because I want to show you that we have our new version. So that is why I'm skipping everything. Next. More, accept. I'm also skipping the screen lock. Okay, finish. Okay, the phone has turned on, and now let's verify the version. Open up the settings, scroll all the way down, about phone, software information, and now as you can see we have our new version. You can check what version I had in the beginning of the video, but now we have the version that we have installed from thanks to the Odin. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.